On July 26, 2023, Samsung launched the Galaxy Tab S9 series, in which Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra was one of the variants. And in this video we will know more details about this particular tab. So first, let's begin with the processor. The CPU speed is 3.36, 2.8 and 2 GHz. And the CPU type is octa-core. This brings us to the display. The size of the main display is 36.99 cm, which is 14.6 inches. And the resolution of the main display is 2960 x 1848. The technology used is Dynamic AMOLED 2X. And moving on to the color depth, it's 16 million. And yeah, we do have the support for the S Pen. Next we come to the camera. Rear camera has autofocus, and also the rear camera features a flash. The resolution of the front camera is 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel. And talking about the video recording, you can record in 4K, that is Ultra HD, at 30 FPS. After recording the videos or taking pics, we need some storage or memory to save it. So this tab comes with 12 GB of memory. And coming to the storage goes all the way up to 512 GB. But the available storage we get is approximately 455 GB. And we do have a support for external storage like microSD up to 1 TB. Now let's talk about the connectivity. So the USB version is USB 3.2 Gen 1. The location technology used is GPS, Galileo, QZSS, and much more. And we get the latest Wi-Fi, that is 802.11. And the Bluetooth version is Bluetooth 5.3, but there is no provision for NFC. The operating system is Android. Now let's look at the most important thing, that is the sensors. So the sensors used are accelerometer, fingerprint sensor, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, Hall sensor, and the light sensor. And this weighs around 732 grams. So this brings us to the battery. You can use this tab with internet usage with Wi-Fi for up to 10 hours, and the wireless video playback goes up till 16 hours. The battery capacity is 11,200 mAh, and the wireless audio playback time goes up till 218 hours. Now let's talk about the multimedia. First, let's know the video playing format. It's MP4, M4V, 3GP, 3G2, AVI, FLV, MKV, and WebM. The video playing resolution is Ultra HD 8K at 60 FPS. Let's know the audio playing format. MP3, M4A, 3GA, and much more. So with this, we wrap up this video. I hope you have liked it. Subscribe my channel for more. Give this video a big like if you've liked this video. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.